See the snake right there?
I see the snake.
You are watching JU Nation Fishing.
Oh my goodness. Hey family and friend, JU once again today, Friday, hanging out with my love.
Hey everybody.
And we're back to our stomping ground trying to catch more trout. So we'll show you what we're using today. Follow along with us.
A few moments later.
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
Oh, it is a fish on there. Oh my goodness. No, it is.
Okay, get it. I got it.
I want to see if it's no worries. It's on, baby.
Get
Came
it,
back.
Get it, Dave. Get it. You're back. You're back for more.
Two bait landed us like 3 fish in a row.
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
On. Yep. Oh my goodness, dude.
Yep.
It's going up. Oh! Shoot.
Get it. Oh,
That's
for me.
it. You want to get it or no? You want me to get it?
I got fix your sandwich. I did fix your sandwich. You get it?
You get, where? Somebody got a fish on here, guys. So look, you feel the tug. Oh yeah! Ooh, that was a hard tug. Oh man, it's on. You got it.
I hope so. Oh no, I think I lost it.
You got it. You got it. Woo! You got it, baby.
Oh, it feels very light.
Oh, you got it. It's swimming over there. There it is.
Oh.
There it is. When you get near you, just walk back. So don't keep on going first. Keep on going. And then just walk back when you get near. Walk back, walk back. Boom. All right, so you hammer, baby.
JU hammer.
Bam!
Bam, bam,
JU hammer.
Pan frying one.
Frying.
Fish on, fish on, fish
See the snake
on,
right there?
fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
Check out it. Oh, hey, but look, your thing fell down, baby. Whoa! You got it. Go right there. It's fish on, baby. Fish on. No, it's already on there, babe. Bring me in. Set the hook, bring me in. It's on. It's on, baby.
I've been waiting for it to wiggle. nudge.
No, it popped that thing like that. I mean, this way, swallowed it.
Oh,
When it popped the cork up like that,
I see.
it's done.
It's done. It's mine.
Woo! Scotty, there go another one. There you go.
Marauder time. Woo-wee.
Look at this, family. Just slowly walk it back. And then walk it back. Just slowly walk back. Yeah, baby. Woohoo! Yeah.
Right.
J.U.
Hammer
Ham.
time.
It's hammer time.
J.U. Ham.
Bam!
Bam, bam.
Woo! Okay, family. I'm over here trying to catch some trout, and look what I found on the ground. I found some trout bait that somebody already used here. So I'm gonna reuse it. So watch me reuse this bait right here and catch me some trout. Okay, family, I found this on the ground. So now I'm gonna attach it to my sliding sinker. I'm gonna toss it out there and see if we can catch a fish.
A few moments later.
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
Oh, fish! Oh my goodness! See that? Wow! Get it! Dang, he just set the hook. I don't think he do anything extra with that. It's on, baby.
That way.
That was vicious.
Well, I hope I...
Woo! Dude, that was vicious.
Oh no, I don't feel it anymore. What happened?
Oh, kidding me.
Oh no, here it is.
That was vicious, man.
It is. There it is.
That was a crazy takedown, guys. I hope I captured that in a video for you guys. That was a crazy takedown. It's a little
He's a
tricky,
feisty guy.
but man, he really did it down big time. So hey, it's
J.U.
hammer
Ham.
though. Bam, bam. Woo!
Woohoo!
Right on. All right, family. Guess what's happening here? So the same fish bit the same bait that I got. So what you can do is just pull the bait out with this little right here. See, pull the bait out like that, and you can reuse it again. So I told you a few minutes ago, you can catch your whole limit that way. Just take this hook out. There you go. Put the bait back, throw it back out, and you're gonna get your limit again. Another one. That's it, guys. Okay, family, you saw me. I found this bait on the ground. I used it. I caught a fish. So I'm gonna reuse it again. Look, I got a fish's mouth. It's the same two bait. So sometimes you can catch your whole limit of 5 with this bait like this. So I just rehook it with one single hook. Let the hook expose like that so you can set the hook. I'm just gonna throw it back out. Okay, family, just show you my secret lure right here, the Trout Stinger, and it's about 4 feet up. I got a bobber. So this is a floating bobber. I'm gonna throw it out there, and it's gonna float, and I'm gonna let this sink down, and I'm gonna jerk it, and that's how I'm gonna catch a fish. So here you go. Watch this, guys. Boom. Yeah, it stole it. It took it. Oh, I got one. Ha! Yeah, baby. Woohoo! Yeah. Woo! On a lure, baby. On a lure. Woo! Yeah, baby. Let's go. Got one on the lure, family. Here we go. Just like the way I showed you guys. Here you go, guys.
Wow.
Got him on the lure. Bam! There you go, guys. Right there. That's my lure I like right there. The Trout Stinger. Boom!
J.U.
Woo!
Ham. Bam.
That's right, J Hammer. Bam! Bam! Woo!
Have some chips.
But before I do that, I gotta do one thing, honey. one thing I want to do before we call it. We gotta use the bell!
Oh, we
Woo!
bell.
We gotta put the bell on
Forgot about the bell.
that our son gave us.
Yeah.
Gotta use that bell.
That's right. Got the bell. Okay, I think that's missing the bait. Or was it? Okay,
Gotta use the bell.
we have the bell. I mean the bait. Oh wait.
Oh, that's a fish on. Fish on. That's a bell. Bell just rang.
This one?
Was it me? What do you want to wait for it to ring again?
Oh, I still have the bell. Honey,
Is it on?
I don't know. Oh no, it feels good.
I heard the bell.
Oh wait, I think we do have it. Yeah. Except I have the bell. Oh, where's it going? Oh no, he's over there. Honey, which way did it go? Oh,
Wait till it close. This is walk back. Just walk back.
wait,
Walk
wait, I
back.
think
Walk back.
I'm gonna.
No, walk back. No, all the lines.
J.U.
Oh, that's a hammer, baby.
J.U.
Bam! Bam! Look at this, family. Once again, this is two bait that we found on the ground. We found the bait that we found on the ground. We caught 4 with it. 4 trout with the bait we found on the ground. You don't need to bring your bait.
Awesome.
Don't need to bring your bait, family. Catch all your fish. Just go around and comb for your bait. And here you go. Just go around and comb for your bait. And the same bait catches 4 fish. What's up, family and friend? That was a super exciting day. I think maybe 2 hours, and we caught 2 limits, and I caught about 4 fish on just some bait I found on the ground. So that was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Just catching. I mean, there's a lot of fish in this lake, so just about anything you use, you'll probably catch it. It's a beautiful time to be in Northern California. If you want to catch trout, head up toward the mountain. Just about any lake. You know, I don't have to tell you what lake, but any lake will probably have a lot of trout right now in California. So once again, thank you so much for checking out my channel. Till the next time, peace out. Woo!
Peace out.
Bam.